Hello, everyone. Let's get started with today's vocabulary. In time and on time. It's a preposition, and today we will understand how we can use in time or what is the difference between in time and on time. तो इन टाइम का मतलब है समय से थोड़ा पहले. जैसे अगर आपका 10 o'clock पे इंटरव्यू है और आप 9:45 पर इंटरव्यू के लिए पहुंच गए, सो यू आर वेरी मच इन टाइम फॉर द इंटरव्यू. आपकी स्कूल बस 7 बजे आती है. यू हैव रीच द बस स्टॉप एट 6:55, so you are in time. You're few minutes before the bus has come. Oh, I reached the airport very much in time, skipping all the traffic. So here the in time का मतलब है टाइम के पहले पहुंच जाना और आराम से, मतलब आपको बहुत जल्दबाजी नहीं है. और ऑन टाइम का मतलब है एग्जैक्ट ऑन टाइम. आई रीच द स्कूल ऑन टाइम. आई रीच द बस स्टॉप ऑन टाइम. The train was on time. It departed at 9 a.m. exactly. I like people who are in time for the interviews, but people are generally late. Whenever you have an interview, plan to be in time. You should reach the venue on time. Don't be late. Time से पहुंच जाना, देर मत करना. Be on time for the dinner. Don't be late. Don't keep me waiting. So on time means एग्जैक्टली एट दैट टाइम. जैसे आपकी 9 बजे की अपॉइंटमेंट है और आप 9 बजे पहुंच गए. द ट्रेन लेफ्ट एट 9, सो द ट्रेन वॉज ऑन टाइम. जो टाइम था उसी में पहुंची है. एंड इन टाइम का मतलब है समय से थोड़ा पहले. नाउ वी विल डू सम idioms. So today the idioms are on jobs. So job related idioms we are going to do. So here we are doing collocations. Collocations means combination or joining of few words and which will make a suitable phrase. So here the first one is be a workaholic. वर्कोहॉलिक मीन्स जो बहुत ज्यादा काम करता है, जो दिन में 10 से 12 घंटे या आजकल तो 15 घंटे लोग काम कर लेते हैं. सो वर्कोहॉलिक. आई कांट sit idle. I am a workaholic. I need some or the other tasks to do. My uncle was a workaholic. He used to work 15 hours a day. Don't brag that you are a workaholic. That means you are a donkey. ज्यादा मत बनो बहुत ज्यादा वर्कोहॉलिक हो. कोई बहुत वर्कोहॉलिक तो गधा भी होता है. तो वर्कोहॉलिक कोई बहुत अच्छी चीज नहीं है. A person who works a lot. Brian was a workaholic. He worked for 18 hours a day. People in Japan are workaholics. They work extensively. The next one is dead end job. I was in a dead end job for a very long time. I did not want to end up my career in a dead end job. डेड एंड जॉब का मतलब है जहां पे आपकी कोई ग्रोथ के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स नहीं है, जहां पे कोई हायरार्की नहीं है, जहां पे कोई भी आपको आगे प्रमोशंस नहीं मिलेगा. जैसे एक वॉचमैन है, वो वॉचमैन का वॉचमैन ही रहेगा, उसके उस जॉब में कोई प्रमोशन नहीं है. So many jobs are there, many fields are there where there are literally no promotion. So they are called dead end jobs. So I was in a dead end job for a long time and I knew that it was a big red flag for my career. My dad had a dead end job in a coal mine. Patrick can help his wife with the children because of his flexible working hours. सो डेड एंड जॉब का मतलब है विद नो ग्रोथ. होल्ड डाउन अ जॉब. टू होल्ड ऑन अ होल्ड डाउन अ जॉब. होल्ड डाउन अ जॉब का मतलब है किसी काम को पकड़े रहना या किसी काम को छोड़ना नहीं. टू बी सक्सेसफुल एट कीपिंग द जॉब फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अब Abby is trying to prove to her parents that she can hold on a job. My brother can't hold on a job for even 6 months. एक जगह पे वो टिक के 6 महीने भी काम नहीं कर सकता. Though it is all like my made up statements, don't take it literally. जॉब सिक्योरिटी. जॉब सिक्योरिटी का मतलब है परमानेंट जॉब. सो do you have any job securities in today's scenario? Is there any job security in your company? Even in US, there's no job security. Nowadays, there's no job security in government also. Although although it isn't as much paid, workers are attracted to that because of the job security. Job security jobs job security job have low salaries. So it is your choice whether you want to go for job security or a high package. To make a living. To make a living का मतलब है अपनी लिविंग को, अपने जीने के लिए आप उस जगह से काम कर रहे हैं या पैसे मिल रहे हैं आपको उसके लिए. आई मेक अ लिविंग बाय वर्किंग इन अ शॉप. He makes a living by selling newspapers and doing odd errands for the day. Ruth made a living working as a chef as an assistant in a hotel to earn living to pay for bills, to meet a deadline. To meet a deadline means to finish your work on time. He got promoted because he showed the ability to meet the deadlines. There are so many deadlines in jobs, and sometimes it creates lot of anxiety issues in the staff. So these were this video I hope would have helped you for to learn more collocations. Thank you for being till here.